Hello and welcome to yet another video on SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. Welcome to the extra section and honestly my favorite part. We spent this whole course building WorkshopHub with spec-driven development, specs, phases, and AI agent writing the code. But an app on localhost is a rehearsal. In this section, we take WorkshopHub live, deployed, published, in production, taking real bookings from real students. If you build the same project along with me, you can follow click by click. And if you built your own project with SDD, the steps still map one-to-one. Here's the full path, start to finish. First, we grab the build package, the zip of WorkshopHub with its version notes. Then we choose hosting that actually fits our stack, PHP, MySQL, nothing exotic. Next, we create the server space and the database, a home for the files, a home for the data. Then we upload the project and configure the environment. That's the .env file with our real production values. After that, performance touches, symbolic links for images, caching, plus the database hookup. And finally, the install wizard. WorkshopHub sets itself up and the studio owner logs in for the first time. What do you need to follow along? 3 things. A hosting account, will pick one by criteria, not by brand. A domain, even a cheap one. And the WorkshopHub package the agent built for us. No Docker, no Kubernetes, no DevOps degree. This stack was chosen in our spec precisely so deployment stays simple. That's the roadmap. 6 stops between localhost and live. Up next, we prepare the app for installation, the package, the checklist, and the files will touch. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.